One day, Little Duck saw his best friend getting ready to leave. "Where are you going?" "I'm flying south for winter." Little Duck's eyes filled with tears. "I don't want you to go," he cried. "I will come back in spring." Swallow smiled and said, "I promise." She gave Little Duck a soft feather. "When you see it, think of me." Little Duck gave her a small blue stone. "Think of me too." They made a spring promise. Little Duck watched Swallow fly into the sky. True friends stay in your heart wherever they go. Who do you miss the most right now?